In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the slash command in Notion. If you're a Notion user, mastering the slash command is an essential skill that can truly enhance your productivity. Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your workflow, understanding this feature can save you a significant amount of time and effort. Let's dive right in. By simply typing a /, you unlock a multitude of options that allow you to execute various commands instantly without the need to click through multiple menus. This means that once you get familiar with the keywords, you can perform tasks quickly and efficiently. Imagine this scenario. You're in the midst of planning your day or drafting a document, and you suddenly need to insert a new page. Instead of leaving your keyboard, moving your mouse, and navigating through nested menus, you can just type #page directly, and voila! A brand new page is created right there for you, ready to use immediately. This seamless experience is just one of the many conveniences the slash command brings to the table. Moreover, the slash command isn't just limited to creating new pages. It provides quick access to a wide range of functions like creating headings, inserting images or videos, and adding lists. This flexibility allows you to focus more on your content and less on the mechanics of formatting. An added benefit of using these commands is the ability to maintain the flow of your thoughts and minimize interruptions. Clicking through menus can often break your concentration, but by keeping everything at your fingertips, you stay more engaged with your work. This uninterrupted engagement is particularly useful when you're working on complex projects that require deep focus. For those who love keyboard shortcuts and efficiency, leveraging the slash command can revolutionize how you interact with Notion. Once you've grasped the basics, I encourage you to explore and experiment with different commands. Try to memorize the most commonly used ones, as they can significantly speed up your day-to-day tasks. Another helpful tip is to regularly update yourself with any new commands or features Notion introduces. These updates can greatly impact how you use this tool, offering new ways to optimize your workflow. Keeping an eye on releases from Notion can help you stay ahead and make the best use of all available functionalities. So, there you have it. Embracing the slash command in Notion can greatly enhance your productivity by simplifying many of your daily tasks. I hope this introduction helps you feel more confident in using this feature to its fullest potential. Give it a go and witness the difference it can make in your everyday productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy Notioning!